Warning, read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi, I'm Brad, Senior Engineer at Tregaskiss, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and reinstall a neck on an Atlas torch. So the first step is to remove the consumables, nozzle, tip, and diffuser. And then we're going to remove our liner. The next step is to take the gooseneck body cover and just rotate it about 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise, and then slide it out of the way. Take your 4mm Allen key and loosen up the 2 bolts on the gooseneck body. And then you remove both the bolts, keeping in mind that these are captured fasteners and they will remain with the gooseneck body. Once the bolts are removed, grab the neck and simply pull it out of the connector housing. So now I'm going to show you how to reinstall a new neck on the Atlas torch. Keeping in mind there is a guide alignment pin on the top of the gooseneck body, and then there's an alignment pin on the bottom. The alignment pin on the top needs to go at the 12 o'clock. You cannot put this neck in wrong. If the alignment pin is not lined up with the keyway, the neck will simply not go in. It will only go in one way. And it slides into position. Then you take your 4mm Allen key and you tighten down the captured fasteners to 50 inch-pounds. Take your gooseneck body cover, slide them in, and then you turn it clockwise about 1/8 of a turn until you hear an audible click. As a confirmation, the 2 alignment lines on the gooseneck body cover and the connector housing cover will line up when it is fully locked. Then you'll reinstall your liner. And install your consumables. And that is how you replace a neck on the Atlas torch.